Hello, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today let us see how to make a baby hat 1 to 4 years old babies. I am using this 3 mm thickness yarn and 2.75 mm hook. First let us start with 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join the first chain with the slip stitch and make a ring in the middle, and for the first row we make 3 chains. Let us count these 3 chains as the first double crochet and make 11 more double crochets in the same ring. First chain is the first double crochet, second double crochet, and now I am putting the third double crochet. In this same method I will finish 12 double crochets for the first row. I will come back after finishing all these 12 double crochets, and now I have finished all the 12 double crochets for the first row. Join with the slip stitch and complete the round. For the next round you make 3 chains and put the marker in the third chain. And now let us continue. Next a double crochet in the same stitch and then 2 double crochets in each stitch. So at the end of this round we will be getting 24 double crochets. In the first row we had 12 double crochets, and in the second row we will be getting 24 double crochets, 2 in each stitch. I will finish this and come back. Now I have finished the 24 double crochet stitches. You can recount again. It should be 24, and now join the marker chain with the slip stitch. Again coming to the next row, put 3 chains, remove the marker and place it in the third chain for the third row. Two double crochet in the next stitch. One, two, and 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So 2 double crochet and again 1 double crochet. Repeat this. So at the end of this round we will be getting 36 double crochets, 2 in 1 and 1 in 1. Alternatively we will be putting 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet throughout this round. So totally 36 double crochets will be there at the end of this third round. Now join with the slip stitch where we have placed the marker, and again coming to the fourth row, chain 2, remove the marker and place it in the second chain and continue. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet again, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Again 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 double crochet in 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch, 1 stitch. One and 2. Again 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, then 2 double crochet in the third stitch. And now I have completed this 4th row, and now we'll be getting 48 stitches in this 4th row. You can count again and join with the slip stitch at the marker point stitch. Again coming to the next row, make 3 chains, remove the marker and place it in the third chain, and let us continue with the 5th row. 1 double crochet in the next 14 stitches. Totally there should be 15 stitches and 1 double crochet. So the 3 chains make the first double crochet, and next for the 14 stitches we make 1 double crochet in each stitch. I'll finish this 14 double crochet in 14 stitches continuously, and I'll come back to you where we put a double crochet in the same stitch. So after completing 14 stitches, in the next chain we'll be putting 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. Then in the next 15 stitches we'll be putting 1 double crochet in each stitch, 1 double crochet for the next 15 stitches. And after completing 15 stitches we should put 2 double crochet in the same stitch. You can count again and you put 2 double crochet in the next stitch, which will be the last stitch. And now join with the slip stitch in the marker point and complete this row. So totally there will be 51 stitches in this row. Coming to the next row, make 3 chains, remove the marker and place it in the third chain. Now coming to the 6th row, we make 2 double crochet in each stitch for 15 stitches, and then 2 double crochets in one stitch, and again double crochet in 15 stitches, then 2 double crochet in one stitch. So in 3 places we make 2 double crochets, and totally we'll increase 3 stitches in this 6th row. So the total number will be 54 in this 6th row. From here onwards, in every row we'll increase 3 stitches in 3 places. And now we shall measure the radius. The radius will be, let us measure the size. The radius will be 2.5 inches, 3 inches and 7 centimeters at the end of the 6th row. 7 centimeters. And now we have come to the 7th row. In this row
and
also
we
we
shall
increase
continue
3 number
the 7th row, the
in
same
3
51
places.
double crochets in the 7th, 8th,
First
9th
we
and
started
the
2
10th
double
row.
crochet for
So
every
after
14
finishing the
stitches, and the
10th
next row 15
I'll
stitches,
show you back.
and in the next row it will be 16. See here,
In
in
this
this
same
row
method,
I have increased
in each
1.
row we'll be putting 51 double crochets
At
and no
3
increase
places. This is the second place where I have
in
increased
these
the
rows
number,
up to the
and the finally
10th row.
where we join I increase 1 number. In this same method we increase
See, now I
3
have
stitches
completed the
in
10
every
rows
row.
and our hat is ready.
That will be
Let us
same for
measure the height.
7th,
It will
8th,
be
9th,
8
10th,
inches.
11th and 12th rows until we get a required size. We should measure the circumference of the baby's head, and the circumference of the hat should be 2 less than the head. See here, in this place I have increased 1 number. So in the same stitch we make 2 double crochets here. In every row when we come to this stitch we will increase 1. See here, I have increased in every row, and again double crochet in each stitch. So at 3 points we increase the number. So in every row 3 number will be increased, and so the size of the hat will become bigger. I have come to the next point. Here also I make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. This is the second place, and again at the starting point we should increase 1 number. I will come to that and show you. See, I have come to the end. We make 2 double crochets in the same stitch and join with the slip stitch in the third chain, and I have completed the row. In this same method we can continue until we reach the height of the hat. I need few more rows. Now I have completed 12 rows. I can still continue until I reach the height of the hat. Now I have finished 13 rows and the height is 6.5 inches. I need 3 more lines so that I can fold the hat if the baby is small, and I can put it as it is if the baby is bigger. So we can use this hat from 1-year-old baby to 4 years old babies. So I have completed 16 rows, and now we can cut this yarn and finish our project like this. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. I have also shared the related videos in the description. Now let us measure. The circumference will be 20 inches, and we can use up to 22 inches circumference of the head. You can fold like this if the babies were small. Thank you for watching.